We probably would not have gotten through this project on time without Crown. I'm Tom LaPerry, President and CEO of LaPerry Foods. We're located here in Warren, Michigan, and we're a wholesale distributor that serves about 14 states across the country. I would describe our relationship with the Crown organization as one of our premier suppliers, not only on a day-to-day basis and the stuff that they do for us every day, but when we embarked on a project like this one, building this new facility, they were there right at the beginning with us through the whole process and really helped us get this thing done on time, on schedule. And Crown provides us with all our material handling equipment, but they also, in a project like this, helped us in design and the racking. Crown was very instrumental in helping us select the products that we used and what type of equipment. Right from the beginning, they were in our meetings, they sat in every meeting, they went through all the pain of all the changes and the redesigns, and when it was all done, they were right there at our side and helped us get through the whole process. So whether it's the racking, whether it's the material handling equipment, Crown has nailed it on both ends. We probably would not have gotten through this project on time without Crown. We really appreciate that, and they've just been great partners for us over the years.